invoice payments and check issue.
Huh.
Instead of getting a large sequence document number, I am getting only 3 digits number, sir.
Okay, so just check your, okay, which one in vendor invoice, huh?
Yes, sir. Vendor invoice, after creation of vendor invoice and document payment also, payments also, and F-53 and all, I'm getting only 3 digits number as a document saved in company code like that.
We need to check your OBS 7.
OBA
Okay,
7.
1 minute. Just let me unmute you. Yeah, 1 minute. Just 1 minute, guys. You need to update your Zoom, guys. Many people. It's not allowing me to unmute you. Okay. Right, good. So just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Yeah. So she is saying whenever she is creating vendor invoice or vendor payment, she is getting a 3-digit document. So what could be the problem, guys? What could be the problem? The problem could be
Document
OBA.
number setting.
Yeah,
Assigned
OBS
number
7. OBS 7. In that
say
KR document, KR vendor invoice, right? KR
Yes.
number range information. You are getting here company code. What is my company code?
BABA.
ZAPL.
ZAPL. Okay, ZAPL we are using, right? Yeah.
Change intervals.
So here, if you give a small number, Sima, here I have given 10 digits. If I am giving a small number like this, no? 190, then I will get obviously small, no?
Yes.
Correct. So suppose
Yes.
if I give 0001 here, and then if I give 999, then I will get a 3-digit number.
Yes.
Just check, na? This number series you might be wrong for.
Sir, I gave 10 digits number only, but similar to this I have given, sir. Instead of 001, I have given 000001 in that format.
Correct. Okay. See, either way, see, 1 or 001, both are same, na?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
If I put 9 zeros before, does it make change anything? No, na?
Okay,
Got
sir.
it. So you are using one number only. Okay, that's why.
Okay. Sir,
Okay.
and one more doubt. So I didn't get any error while posting an invoice or a payment, sir. But when I was doing this checks and all, issuing a check, there I have got an error like this is not a document
Payment
payment.
document number. Good. Anybody else got the error? This is not a payment document number. That error. Anybody else got, guys? Payment document number error. This when you are issuing the check, it will come. This error will come when you are issuing the check. This is not a payment document. Nobody got it? Okay. So this error will come. This is nobody can. This is a real-time error, guys. Oh, it will make your life hell. I should tell you. This is, if you are not aware of this, you will search and search. You don't understand. This is, I did the payment, KZ document, 15 series. But it is saying payment document, not a payment document. Well, I did the payment. So the answer for this is, there are a couple of areas. No? So some people, they check for 2-3 days, still cannot find the answer. Right? The answer for this question is your FS00. The answer, the error is somewhere, the problem is somewhere. That only experienced people can identify this. So the problem is in your company code, that is your ZAPL, for your bank account, you did not take relevant to cash. Okay, check it. This could be the problem. Okay.
Sir, I can go back to FS00, make these changes and then save.
Tick it.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
you can. This is one level. Sometimes this is also ticked, but still same error will become. When that will come is when your payment account and check issue account is different. See, I made the payment document in F-53. Imagine in F-53, here I use HDFC bank account. Correct?
Okay.
When I am
Yes.
issuing the check, I am giving check lot of SBI. You got it? How can I make the payment to HDFC? Give the check of SBI. How will I give? You got the point? That's
Okay.
when also that problem. If you have multiple bank accounts, multiple check lots are there, and your payment document not matching to your check, it will give that error. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Good.
Sir, so first I'll check with FS00 after ticking that relevant thing. If then also
99% it is FS00, ma.
okay,
I
sir.
don't think this you will not. You will do like this bank I will pay and I will give the check from another bank. No, I don't think.
No.
Okay, it will be
Okay.
FS00.
Okay, sir, done. If it is FS00, then there is no need to change the series in OBA7, right?
No, this has got nothing. Though they are two different things. That error is that error. This is this.
Okay, sir. So even if it is a
You
3-digit number or a 4-digit number, that will work.
can continue.
Okay, sir, done.
No problem.
Thank you.
Sir, could you repeat that error?
The error is it is not a payment document. It says. Okay, let me give the error here. 1 minute. Okay, let me give the error. It says. Okay, so the document. What is the error, ma? Document is not a
Payment document.
Is not a payment document. Not a payment document. This is error you will get in FCH5. Okay, FCH5. Right. Okay, I will show you. No? So not exactly, but message I will show you. So when I am in FCH5, I'm giving an irrelevant document. Yeah. Some other document I am giving 1900 I am giving. Okay, check number I am giving something 105. Yeah. You see, this is the error you will get. The document is not a payment document. Okay. So even if it is 15 series also you will get if you did not do that properly. Relevant to cash flow if you don't tick. Even if you are giving 15 series document, ZV is a KZ document also, it will give error. Is that clear? Yeah. Good.
Yes, sir.
Welcome.
Sir, I also have a question. So while doing residual payments and partial payments, for example, if the invoice is for 75,000 and I have paid a partial payment of 10,000, so that 10,000 is also as an open item with a positive sign.
Of course, yes.
Okay.
Correct. So when
And
you are saying 70,000 minus is there, then 10,000 plus should be there.
positive. Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
I
Okay.
paid. So as net off should happen, right? That's why.
But why then it is red color? Like why it's an open
Because
item and
it's
not
the transaction is not over. No? Transaction
okay,
not completed. No? Did we close the transaction? No, it's pending.
pending.
75,000 open, 10,000 plus open. Both are open. We did not close the transaction. We are in
Okay.
the middle of the transaction.
Okay.
That's why it's everything is open.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Right. Right.
Sir, I have missed a class on Friday.
Which topic you missed, ma? Which topic?
Friday class I missed.
Friday is like I think advance or something, house banks or whatever. Anything, whatever. I will show you the notes. No problem. It is there. I will, if you try to do, if any problem is there, let me know. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This is a house banks topic and advances probably we covered or something else. No problem. You try to do any problem, let me know. Okay. Now,
Sir, But
Yes.
could you please scroll up so that I'll take at least a screenshot?
Yeah, 1 minute. This is advances.
Okay.
This is advances topic. Okay. So we do the first configuration we do. This is the configuration. Okay. Then we do the two scenarios. We do. Okay. Two scenarios. Next, what is this? This is the house bank creation. Okay. Some check topics were discussed afterwards. Okay. So now today we are talking about automatic payment program, na guys? Yeah,
No.
automatic payment. Yeah. Next. So okay. So let's talk about APP. APP means automatic payment program. Payment program. So till now, whatever we discussed, it is all manual process. Till now, whatever we discussed, like partial payment or what we discussed, payment terms, cash discounts, bank charges, installments, advances, all house banks, check issue, all that we did manually, one by one. Correct or not? F-531 invoice, one vendor, we did manually. Now we are shifting to automation process. Okay. So now let us first understand what is the importance of this program. Okay. See, suppose let us understand, let us take a typical scenario where we have lot of vendors are there. Okay, many vendors are there. We have, like, who will come under vendor list, guys? Who will come?
Employees,
Employees will come.
persons,
Raw material suppliers,
those
service
providing
providers.
services and goods.
Everybody will come. Na? Suppose I have loads and loads of vendors. 30,000 vendors are there. Okay, 30,000 vendors. These 30,000 vendors, for each vendor I have, suppose I have 3 open items. You know open item by now, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is open item?
The payment we have to make to vendor. We are liable to vendor. We have to pay.
So something we purchased,
Not
something we
paid.
purchased, not paid. Correct. Something we purchased, not paid. That is open item, right? Yeah. So some other items we paid, some items we not paid. Na? Many times we are buying from vendor. So for each vendor, I have this open item, 3 open items I have. Okay. So where I can see these 3 open items, where you will see?
FBL1N.
FBL1. So now you tell me, if I have 3 open items with each vendor, is that possible? Yeah. How many vendors I have?
90,000.
30,000.
Total how many open items I have now?
90,000.
90,000.
Correct. So just imagine, we are seeing just 1 or 2 items in FBL1N. Just imagine one FBL1N in real time, na? 90,000 open items, na? If you to scroll from top to bottom, it will take you 5 minutes. So many open items scrolling through, na? 90,000 open items in FBL1N. You got the point? Yeah. Now these 90,000 open items, they are posted with same payment term or different payment?
Different.
You know na payment term, you know?
Yes, sir.
All of you know what is a payment term by now?
Yes.
Some invoices on 0001. What is 0001?
Immediately.
Within a day,
Some invoices are net 30.
13 days,
Pay within 30
Some
days.
invoices are net 60.
within a 60 days,
Within 60 days.
Some are 0050.
within 20 days, within 10 days 3%, within 20 days 2%,
After that, no discount.
no discount.
Maximum
30 days.
30 days.
Net income.
Clear? Yeah. Some are on 0055
Installment payment.
installment, no? Correct? You understand? So these 90,000 open items, they are not on single payment term. They are different payment term, different vendors. What he will offer, we don't know, no? Exact. So and posted on different dates. Correct or not? Dates,
Yes.
are the dates the same?
No, sir.
No, one
No.
is posted, one is posted 45 days ago. One is posted last week. One is posted today. Correct or not? So they are posted on different dates, different payment terms, different vendors. Agree? Yeah. So now you tell me, correct na? They are posted, these 90,000 open items, they are posted with different vendors, 30,000 vendors on different payment terms, different posting dates. See the confusion here? Okay, so now you tell me, if I have to pay today, I want to do some payment today. If I have to do some payments today, if I want to do some payments today. Now, which items I will pick up is the question. If I want, which
Which are
item?
due?
Which are due today or overdue today?
Maybe which are
Okay, which
overdue.
are overdue. Okay. Overdue or due?
Due.
Okay. How do I know that is overdue or due? How do I know?
The
Based
red
on the
sign or
symbol.
the yellow sign,
bells,
yellow bell sign.
red,
We have
yeah,
symbol,
bell
right?
sign.
Symbol. Okay.
Symbol.
What symbol I have for this?
Red
Over,
sign, sir.
correct.
Red.
Red arrow.
Calendar.
Red arrow.
Red arrow.
For due, what I have?
Yellow bell, sir.
Yellow bill.
Yellow
Yellow
bell.
bell.
Yellow bell.
Yellow bell. See. Correct. I have what symbol I have? Yellow bell is. Okay. Fine. Good. Agree with you. Yellow bell, based upon that, I will pick up. But what about the discounts?
No discount, sir.
You don't want any discount? Lifelong, you will not take any discount from any vendor?
If
We have.
Yes,
sir, if we today is the 30th day, then how can we, the vendor will give the discount?
Based
If
on the
based on
arrears
the
days.
terms and
No,
conditions applied, sir.
Today is the 9th day. You
9th
said
day.
30th, but I'm saying today is the 9th day. You don't want?
Sir, we want, sir.
Want.
We
Then
want
how do you pick up?
3%
based on the
discount.
arrear dates we have.
How so many? So one item posted 1 month ago, one item posted 1 week ago, one item posted today, one item posted 5 days ago. Some are on discounts, different discounts. You know, na payment terms. How do you know which item I should pick up?
It will be updated as payment date and net due date. So both columns will be there.
See, if I pay today, I will get a discount. If I don't pay today, tomorrow my 10 days over. You got the point? I will lose the discount, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Yeah, got it now. So today is unfortunately, today is the 10th day. I should have picked that item and paid. I would have got 3%. Na? But if I miss tomorrow, 3% gone. You understand? So they are on different dates. What date it is posted, what term it is posted, inside the term, what days, how many days are there. No, so much logic na here, so much things to consider, so many conditions. So now it becomes very difficult. Correct. So if you want to properly get maximum benefit, maximum discounts, if you want to do it perfectly, it becomes very difficult. So what the companies do, it's a little complicated here. Correct. See here, first thing I don't want to do delayed payments. Kada? Because my image will get spoiled. Na? I want to pay on time. Na? So no defaults. So I want my proper image. So I don't want any defaults. So I want to pay on time. Second, I don't want to pay early also. Na? So shall I select all the items and pay? Is it like that? No. So I don't want to pay early. I want to pay perfectly on time. Save some money. Correct. So I want to have a best list of items. No? I want to have a best list. No? List of items that I should be paying today. To get the maximum, no? I should be paying today to get the maximum benefit. Understand? So I don't want to miss any discounts. I don't want to delay also. No overdue items, no early payments. Perfectly, I want to maintain the balance for my maximum benefit. So for that, what companies they do is they will have a payments team will be there. So there will be a payment section will be there. In that one team will be there. Okay. Suppose there are 10 people they will employ, 10 employees. Okay. So all these 10 people, they will work on the payments only. Correct. So they will have a payments cell or section will be there. In that there will be 10 people working. What is their job? To look after these payments perfectly with maximum discount, maximum benefit. Is that clear? Good. So what these 10 employees will do, first thing what they do, if they want to do the payment, first they will create something called proposal. What do you call it? Payment proposal. We call it proposal. Proposal is nothing but it is a list of items that we should be paying today. So these 10 people, what they do, they will each item wise item, they will cross check and they will see which is this item should be paying today or not. Like that, they will go through and they will prepare the list. That list, what do you call it? Proposal we call. Okay. Now, so imagine these 10 people, they worked on the 90,000 items. Today morning they started, 9 o'clock they started working on the list. And finally, after 3-4 hours, they prepared the list. That list is the proposal. Okay. Yeah. So out of those 90,000 items, they prepared a list of 15,000 items. 15,000 open items, right? 15,000 open items that are best list, maximum benefit we will get. Okay. So in the proposal, how many open items are there?
30,000.
No. In FBL 1 and 90,000 are there. In the proposal, how many are there?
15,000.
Who prepared that proposal? Who prepared?
Payment section.
Payments team. Payments team. These 10 people prepared. How much time they will take? It will take time, analysis.
Yes.
If I pay today, what I will get? If I don't pay, what I will get? Analysis I should do, no? Yeah. So it will take about roughly 3 to 4 hours. Yes. Okay. So they prepared the list. Now you tell me, this list is ready, no? This list we want to do the payments. I want to do the payments, correct? For this list. So where I will go to do the payments?
F-53.
F-. So now F-53, can I pay all 15,000 items in one go or how many times I should go? F-53.
As of 15,000.
As of. So in F-53, we have to go how many times? 15,000 times. Now, every time I go there, select the vendor, select the amount, give the amount, yeah, calculate the discount, give and post. No? So, first of all, preparation of the list is hard work, lot of hard work. Kada? It's not easy to prepare the proposal. Na? List of items picking up, not easy. Second, making the payment, is it easy? Yeah?
No.
If you want to make payments, is it easy? No. You have to go how many times? 15,000 times. Yeah. Correct. Each time you have to go to F-53, select the vendor, select the amount, select the open item, then post. How many times? 15,000 times. Now imagine for these 15,000 payments that you did, you want to issue the check. Where I should go? Issue the checks. Where we will issue? Where we will issue the check, guys?
FCH.
Where we issue the check? Check issue.
FCH 5. FCH 5.
How many times?
50,000 times.
See, understand the difficulty here. Correct? See here. First, creation of the list is difficult. Each item separately analyze, tick up. Second, after picking up, payment is not easy. Every time I have to go manual. Third, issuing the checks. Is it easy? Not easy. Lot of. Okay. So a similar pattern will be there in, see, not only in SAP, any other software you go, a similar pattern will be there, right? Similar. Preparation list has to be prepared, na? Yes. Payment has to be done, yes. Check issue has to be done, yes. So this is a lot of hard work is correct. So there is lot of hard work in the manual payment process. Okay, lot of hard. Many people are there, still it is hard work. So probably, see, prepare the list, they took 4 hours. To make the payment, another 4 hours. To issue the check, another 4 hours. So already they are working 12 hours. You understand? They are working overtime till night 10 p.m. Still payments are not over. You understand? And then what happens? Suppose they complete the work by 10 p.m. In about 2 hours, what will happen? 12 a.m. date changes, na? Date changes. When date changes, what happens?
Again, some due.
Again, new payments to be made.
Exactly. Everything changes. Symbols will change. Yellow will become red. Calendar will become yellow. Understand? Everything. And now you are
Discount will be
thinking,
gone.
exactly. And now you are thinking that 90,000 minus 15,000, there are only 75,000 now. But what happens today when you are doing this process today, new items get posted, na?
Yes, sir.
Items get posted, right? Suppose they posted another 10,000 today. So back to tomorrow morning when they come back, na? Tomorrow morning they come back. How many items will be there?
85,000.
85,000. You understand? Right. That is it. That is the process. Again, tomorrow, again, the process restarts. You got the points. It keeps on. See the hard work here, lot of hard work, right? So what is the hard work here? Preparation of the proposal, that is the list of items, is not easy because different payment term, different dates are there. Correct? Second one, making the payment is not easy. Not easy, no? Third one, issuing the checks is also not easy. Lot of hard work will be there. That's why the employee section will be there. People will be there, right? Yeah. Okay, now. So even if you are ready to do all this, suppose you are doing all this in the company, you are doing all this process. People are there, 10 people are there, you are doing. So even after doing all this, now you tell me, is accuracy guaranteed?
No.
Can you
No, sir.
guarantee my accuracy?
No, sir.
Correct? Because people are involved. No? When people are involved, it depends on his accuracy. No? Yeah. Suppose out of these 10 people, one guy is there. He's not interested in the job. Yeah, you asked him to create the proposal. He went and watched a movie, no? OTT. He watched the movie. After 3 hours, copy pasted some items. Correct. Do you go and check again? Correct. Do you have the
No,
time to check again? You cannot. So what will happen? There is a inaccuracy possible. Na? It all depends on the person who is doing. If he is doing some mistakes, then mistakes will carry forward. Got it? So accuracy, is it guaranteed? Even if you are doing all this also, accuracy not guaranteed. Because human element is. So it depends on the person who is doing the proposal. Correct? Next. So even if you are ready to do all this hard work, accuracy not guaranteed. Okay, next. Next one, is it scalable? Scalable means what? Scalability. Scalability we'll call it. What is scalability, guys? Anybody knows?
It's measurable. We can find
If
out.
you want, you can increase. Otherwise, as per the data, it will increase automatically and decrease.
So elasticity we call it. Elasticity means, businesses will have ups and downs, no? Trends. See, now it is a busy festival season. Okay, imagine now we have big billion sale, Amazon sale, we have na sale. There will be a period where sales will be higher, right? Yeah. So when your sales are higher, obviously your purchases will be higher, na? Correct? When your sales are high, then at that time you have to purchase and sell, na? Purchases also higher, right? Yeah. At that time, what will happen? Your open items will touch 3 lakh open items. During busy business sale, busy periods, what will happen? Your open items are not 90,000 now. Open items are crossing 3 lakh open items. Okay, so imagine FBL 1 and 3 lakh open items are there. For 90,000, they are working overtime. For 3 lakh, they cannot go home now, no? Yeah, you are telling him don't go home, stay in office only for 1 week. Is it like that? No, no.
No.
So, correct. So these 10 people, they have a stretching point. You cannot stretch them further. Correct. So, if there is a busy business period is there, lot of sales are there, lot of open items are there. At that time, we cannot stretch these people. Not possible. Correct, na? So, how do you support the payment of 3 lakh open items? How do you support them? How do you do it? Business will get impacted, na? Delays will happen, vendors not happy. Correct? Or you have to employ new people. If you employ 2 new people, suppose you employed another 10 people. What will happen after busy business period? There will be slack season will come. Completely is no business, na? Only 10,000 open items are there. What will these 20 people do? Sit idle. You got the point? So even if you are ready to do all this, in this system, scalability is not there. You cannot stretch it. Elasticity not there. Correct? This is another problem. So first of all, even if you are ready to do all the hard work, accuracy not there, scalability not there, elasticity not there, you cannot stretch it. Correct? Next one, conditions. Conditions means what? Conditions cannot be set up. Cannot be set up. What do you mean by conditions? See, when businesses are doing the payments, they have n number of requirements. For example, today we got some information. What information? We got information that vendors from one particular country, say vendors from Nigeria, are involved in a fraud. Okay, we got that information. So we want to stop payments to vendors to that country. Okay, so we got information that out of all these items, vendors from country Nigeria, they are involved in a fraud. So we want to, for now, we want to stop payments. Okay. So we got that information. Immediately we have to act on it. So what should I do? From these 15,000 items, what I have to do now?
Filter it.
How I will filter? I have to, for each item, I have to check the vendor. Correct? Who is the vendor? And for that vendor, which country? So vendor master, I have to go, which country he is. If he is from Nigeria, remove. Not from Nigeria, leave it. Is that clear? Okay. So suppose if I have to set this condition, how much time it will take, guys? Suppose this guy is there, he prepared the 15,000 list. Now I am telling him, you do one thing, from this list, if the vendor is from Nigeria, remove him. Then that guy will look at me seriously, na? He worked for 4 hours to work on the list. And now you are telling him, you do these corrections, remove all those items from vendor from Nigeria. How much time it will take, guys? How much
Again,
time?
it needs to take all the
Again few hours. Na? Yeah, this is only one condition, but business will have n number of conditions. Correct. See, something like, suppose I am a senior accountant. I was on leave on January 3rd. Yeah. So in my place, my junior posted the items. Yeah. I was on leave on January 3rd. In my place, my junior posted the items and I don't trust him. So whatever items posted on 3rd, I want to check separately and pay. Okay. So what I am telling these people, you do one thing. From these items, if there is any item which is posted on 3rd or by this user, remove it. See, again, lot of hard work, na? Like this. So setting up of, so business will have any n number of requirements like this. They have lot of requirements to apply the conditions on the payments. So when you apply, when you want to apply any condition, becomes very, very difficult. It will take more time, consume more time. It will delay the payments. Correct? All these problems will be there. Okay. So this is the normal payment process in any business. Correct? Yeah. So the companies, they will be actually struggling to complete this process. Kada? So actually they want to do payments on time. Kada? Maintain good image, payments history they want to have, proper public image, on-time payment, no defaults. They want to maintain it, but to maintain it, they have to struggle, go through all this hard work. Is that clear? So what are the problems, guys, in manual process, in the payment process? What are the problems we have? Let's discuss the
Accuracy.
first creating the proposal. No? List of what is proposal? What is a proposal?
List out the best.
All
It is a
different
list
items.
of
Which going to wish.
list
That
of
we wish to pay today.
list of items that we should be paying today. Na? Best
Mm.
list, maximum benefit you will get. Na? That is proposal. Okay. So creation of proposal, is it easy or difficult?
Difficult.
Difficult. Lot of hard work. Why it is difficult? Because
Individually we must go.
different payment terms, different dates, different vendors. Correct? All that. Next. Then payment process, is it easy?
No, sir.
Payment. Is it easy payment? No, lot of hard work. Issuing the checks, is it easy?
More easy. More if difficult.
More difficult. Then after even if you want to do all this, is accuracy guaranteed?
No, sir.
No. Is a scalability is there? Can I stretch? Suddenly I want to have 3 lakh open items.
Mhm.
Can I stretch?
No.
Can I ask
Possible.
this guy to work overnight? No.
No.
Okay, good. Next, what is the other problem? Conditions can I set up?
Not
No, not possible. See, all these problems are there in the payment process. Okay, so now in SAP, they just nailed it. Means what? In SAP, we have a brilliant program. No other ERP has such a program. Okay, no other ERP has such a program. So in SAP, we have a APP program. Background noise. Okay, APP means automatic payment program. Okay, yeah, we have automatic APP, automatic payment program. So what is the greatness of this program is all this that I just discussed, no? Creation of proposal, making the payment, issuing of the check, everything A to Z, it can complete in few minutes. It can create the proposal, considering all the payment terms, all the dates. It can make the payments. It can issue the check all within few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, it will complete. Is that clear? That is the greatness of this program. And this program, this is accurate. Means what? So first of all, this program, it can complete all this process. Now what process? Creation of the proposal, making the payment, issuing the check, everything it will complete in within few minutes. Second thing, it is accurate, 100% accurate. It will not do any mistakes like human beings, no? Yeah. And is it scalable? Scalable means what? Yes. You
Yes,
can
stretchable.
you can run this program for 90,000 items, 3 lakh items, 30 lakh items also it will run. Same time it will take. It will not get tired, or you understand, it will not complain. It is a program. Now you can run it at night 2 a.m. also. You got the point? It's a program. You understood? So first of all, it will make it very fast. It will save you a lot of time, time and effort. Third, it is accurate, it is scalable, and any number of conditions you can give it. It will not say no. N number of conditions can be given while making the payment. Is it clear? This is the greatness of this program. Correct? So this is such a great program. Such program is available only in SAP. There could be other things in other softwares, but nothing will match this program. So this is the highlight of FI module. This is highlight. Na? In the cricket, you see highlights na? Like that. This is a major highlight of the FI model. So many companies, they purchased SAP software, right? They purchased SAP software because they wanted this. Understand? See, only APP they cannot have, no? To have APP, they need to have FI module. To need FI module, they need SAP. You got it? Such is the greatness of this program. Such a brilliant program SAP has developed to take care of the payment process. So basically, it has literally made the payment process very easy. Okay? Good. So you understand the importance of APP program?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Can you tell me few lines? What is APP? What is its importance? Yeah, this is an interview question. What is APP and what is its importance?
APP is a automatic payment program, sir, where we can have a correct accuracy. Each paisa I'm telling you, each paisa can be calculated and paid to a vendor.
Which saves time and effort.
Saves time and
It is
effort. Correct.
accurate and
To
flexible.
overcome
Any
the
number of
limitations of
conditions
manual
can be
work.
met.
Okay.
Where 10, which can be done by 10 people, it can be done by one person.
Correct. Yes.
That
Yes.
in a
Correct. So once we have APP, do we need 10 people, guys, in the office?
No,
No. How
sir.
many people will be there?
One person.
One person. What will happen to other 9 people?
Jobless.
Thank you. Enough, no? Yeah. So that is, yeah, true. Correct. Yeah. So we may save the costs in long term also possible because we don't have to pay 10 salaries, no? Good. Good. Any other points we have? So first of all, APP, what it does,
Flexible.
it will remove all the difficulties in the manual process, whatever payment process is there, all the difficulties it will overcome. It will create the proposal, correct? On all different vendors, different invoices, different payment term, different dates, everything it will digest and it will create a proposal for us, correct? And that proposal, for that proposal, if you want it to make the payments, it will do the payments also. If you want to issue the check, it will issue the checks also. A to Z, it will complete within few minutes. Good. And it is accurate, it is scalable, and any number of conditions can be set up. Correct. That is the greatness of the APP. Okay. It is a highlight of FI module. Many companies purchased SAP software just because they wanted this. Correct. So to make their payments easier. Okay. Okay. So next we are going to enter into automatic payment. This APP we are going to enter. Okay. Right. So note down little notes we will write down so that you are comfortable answering in the interview. Okay. Right. So note down APP. APP is automatic payment program. APP overcomes the difficulties in the payment process. Okay. Okay. Let us start. Okay. APP. Background noise. Sudarshan Reddy.
Sir.
Your dog noise is coming.
Yes, sir.
Please go back to mute. Yeah. Okay. Right. So APP simplifies the payment process. Okay, let me write like this. Simplifies the payment process by overcoming the difficulties in manual payments. It saves time and effort associated with payments processing. It can create the proposal, make payments, and issue the checks. Issue the checks as well in few minutes. Okay, it is accurate, it is scalable. Then I will ask you, what is scalable? Yeah, you should be able to explain. Elasticity, na? Yeah, it is. And any number of conditions can be set up. Setup means can be given at the time of payments. Conditions you understood, na guys? Conditions means
Yes, sir.
I don't want to pay to this country. I don't want to pay to these vendors. I don't want to pay these dates. Like any number of conditions. Or it would be opposite also. I want to pay only to this person. This person from these vendors from Hyderabad only. I want to pay like this. No, I want to put some conditions. Only to these people or avoid these people. Like that. Those kind of conditions.
Done, sir.
Done, everybody? Right. Okay. Okay. So these 6 lines at least you should be able to say. Correct. Be ready with these 6 lines. Yeah. That is more than enough. Correct. This is more than. Okay. Now. So now this is the APP. Importance of the AP. Okay. So now what we need to understand, the role of a consultant in this process. Correct? Role of a consultant here. So now what is the role here is, see now in manual process, in manual payments, what happened? Manual payments, what is happened? Manual payments. Now a consultant is there. Okay. A consultant is there. A consultant will have, and an end user is there. End user is the accountant. No? You know, the accountant who is doing this payments process. The end user can be in the 10 people, 10 employees who are doing the processing. Okay. So in manual payment process, end user will have less work or hard work. What will? Manual process. Hard. Lot of hard. Okay. Consultant will have actually less work. Correct. So lot of hard work is on part of end user. Now I will talk about APP. APP payments. Okay, APP payments. Now you tell me, end user life is easy or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
End user life is less work. No, why?
Because we
Previously,
have the program.
Fast and accurate.
correct. Na, previously was working till 10 p.m. By the time he goes home, his family will be unhappy, so late every day. So that is hard work he was doing, lot of hard work. Now after APP, what is happening? He's starting at 4:30 p.m. 4:35 p.m. payments completed in 5 minutes. Kada reaching home by 5 p.m. happy. You understand? That is end user work has become less, na? Right. So this is end user. He is enjoying now. He is having happy time. So what happened to consultant, guys?
Hard work.
He has a lot of
Now consultant is not going home, na? Correct. It is the lot of hard work on part of consultant. So what we do, we configure the system. We configure the system to make this APP work. Correct. So when consultant configures, then only user can run the APP, na? Yeah. So when you set up everything, then it will work, na? How, otherwise it's not magic, na, to work like that within 5 minutes. So consultant will do all the hard work to get this APP ready. Then user will run it. Is that clear? Yeah. So we have lot of work to do here to set up the, what is this hard work? To configure the APP. Configure the APP. To configure the APP. The T code is FPZ. Then here he will just run the APP. Run the APP. He will just run the APP. That he will do in F110. So there are two roles here. One is configuring, another one is run the APP. So this running, he will just create the proposal, make the payment, issue the check. 5 minutes he will complete. But this configuration, yes? End user will do, correct. This run, end user will. This configuration, who will do? We will. Consultant. Is it clear? Okay. Now you tell me, this hard work, is it good or bad for us? What do you think?
Good.
Good. Hard work is good. Okay. How it is good?
Because it is, making the life of end user easy, so client is more happy.
No, I'm talking about us, na? Are
Although
we
it
happy?
is,
Are
Sir,
you happy as a consultant?
it will make the consultant relevant, else there will be no use of the consultant
yeah.
because
Otherwise,
end user will do it. If it is
themselves.
We
yeah,
have
they
done
will do it well.
all the previous steps, right? We are doing it here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here, so basically, we have a role to play, na? Our job is there. Correct or not? We have something to do,
Yes.
right? Yeah. So consultant. So we are basically, this is our chair is safe now. You understand now? We have a role to play, important role to play. Without us, payments will not happen. Payments will not happen. Understand? That is. So see, important point. By shifting the company from manual process to APP process, important point, listen. By shifting the company from manual process to APP process, what we are doing, we are making the client company dependent on us. Means what? Now we shifted them to APP. Okay, how many people are working? Only one person is working. The other 9 people, they removed. Agree? Yeah. Now this one person is working. He started at 4:30. Within 5 minutes, he wanted to complete the APP run. But what happened? Error. Unfortunately, APP is showing the error. Now user doesn't know how it is working. Okay, then what he will do? One user is there. Only one user. APP not working. Hundreds and thousands of payments are there. What he will do now? You tell me. What is the option?
Call the consultant.
He is called the consultant.
Exactly. We are waiting, na? Come on, this guy will come, na? Yeah, very smart, na? We don't give the knowledge to him. We don't give the knowledge. We keep the knowledge. Key is with us. We keep the knowledge with ourselves. Only run part. How to run, I show him. How it is working, do I show him? No. So by shifting them to automation process, we are making him dependent on us. Understand? How long is this dependency is there? How long? This
Full time. Long, yeah,
lifelong.
lifetime.
Till they survive, we will survive. You understand? You got the point? That is it. So we are, by shifting to the automation process, we are making the client dependent on us, and he's come desperate. He will come. See, the other 9 people are also not there. Na? Can he shift to manual process? No, they are also not there. Correct or not? So does he has got any choice? He has no choice. He has to come to us, and we will help him to solve the problem. And do we solve for free? Do we solve for free? Are we doing social service? No,
No,
no.
sir.
We'll
Charge.
put a big bill, na? Big bill in his hand. And they are happy to pay. I should tell you, they are happy to pay. Why? Because they are saving, we are saving 9 people job. Na? Correct or not? Otherwise, they have to pay to 9 people. Na? And still 9 people, not accurate, not scalable conditions. So many problems are there. We are doing it better. Na? So we are eligible to get 9 people salary? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is why they are happy to pay us. Right? Why they are happy to pay us? Because our process is more qualitative, no? More accurate, more scalable, more, n number of conditions can set up. They are happy about it. Correct? That's why they are happy to pay us. So we are replacing 9 people. That's why we demand higher. Is that clear?
Yes.
And they need us lifelong. They need a consultant lifelong. Yes, they need. Support. We set up the system, and then we are saying, I am there for you. Don't worry. I am there for you lifelong. I am there as long as you pay me. I am there. You got it. And you have no choice. Sorry, you cannot do your own. No? You have no choice. You have to be dependent on. You got the point? That is. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes.
So that is where our role is coming into picture. We set up the APP and we shift the business to the automatic process. And when they are running on the automatic payment process, we will be supporting them. How long? Lifelong. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. So we'll stop here for today. Tomorrow I will start the configuration process. APP configuration I'll start tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys?
Thank you, sir.
Right then. Thank you, guys. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Bye.
can you
Thank you.
scroll?
Up.
Hello?